how to collaborate with your team in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can collaborate with your team in Wrike. So, as a powerful work management tool, Wrike provides features that enhance collaboration and streamline communication. And here is how you can effectively communicate with your team. So, the first step or the first thing to do or to notice that you can use Wrike to to chat. Yes, to chat with your team members. And then how do you do this? The first step is to navigate through to the space or to the project that you are working with your team members. So for example, mine is marketing team, as the name says. And then once you're on this team, once you're on this space, the first thing to do is to share. All right. Apart from assigning, now under assigning tasks, I can add my team members under this assigning tasks by typing out tasks and then assigning it to each of them. For example, the sales tax now, once I click on this particular box, I can just assign my team members to each of them. So once they've accepted the email and they assign the task, or they accept the invite, they will become my team members automatically. And then I can also do it by sharing. To share, move to the top part of the screen, click on the share icon, and after clicking on the share icon, be directed to another page where I can now share the link. So when I share the link and they accept it, they will become my team members on the page, as you can see. And I can also set the role that I want them to play. If I want them to be the admin as well, or just a regular user, whatever, I can do this. And then once I have this, I can now make mentions of them. I can chat with them using the comment feature that is on this site. So for example, for this first task here, if I want to chat or collaborate with my team members, all I need to do is open up the task, and then by the right side of the screen, a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see one item. You can see assigning. Of course, my team members would be the one located here. So I can just make mentions of them by going to the comment section, typing whatever I need to type, and then tag whoever I want to tag. So once I tag the person I want to tag, I click on send, and then after clicking on send, he or she will get a notification, come back, reply, and then the chat can continue that way. All right. So that's a major way of collaborating. Another way is by attachments. Okay, I can easily set attachments such as files, images, videos, and links to tasks and projects. Where is the attachments? By moving to the top part of the screen, clicking on the add files, and then click on your computer, and then other options or files would be displayed. Okay, so that's another way. And again, I'll also collaborate with my team members, or you can collaborate with your team members by creating custom fields that can store additional information related to your work. You can also work on projects by adding them to your project visibility, by making use of Gantt charts, etc. All right. So these are the basic ways of how you can collaborate with your team members. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.